Tired of Big Brother watching your every move online? Let's shut down GoGuardian. First, locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. This is your Chrome menu. Click on the 3 dots, then scroll down to find More Tools. Hover your mouse over this option. A new menu will pop out. In this menu, select Extensions. This is where all of your Chrome extensions, including GoGuardian, are listed. You'll now see a list of all the extensions installed on your Chrome browser. Look for GoGuardian. It may be labeled differently, but it will often include the word Guardian or have a shield-like icon. To the right of the GoGuardian extension, you should see a toggle switch. If the switch is colored, that means GoGuardian is currently enabled. Click the toggle switch to turn it off. This will temporarily disable GoGuardian. If toggling off doesn't work, or you want to completely remove GoGuardian, click the Remove button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove GoGuardian. Click on Remove to proceed. GoGuardian is now disabled or completely removed from your Chrome browser. Enjoy your newfound freedom. Keep in mind that schools or administrators may have policies against disabling or removing GoGuardian, so proceed with caution.